Incoming device is Samsung Galaxy S8, blue in color. Rear camera does not appear to be cracked. Does look like the back glass is cracked. Upper left hand is spidering down to below. Central right hand side. Take a look at the bottom device. Does look like the charging. The headphone jack is round, but the charging port does feel a little bit loose.
No.
Clicking completely inside. It does still take an incoming charge for 1.80 and 1.7 amperes. Power button, volume button, and Bixby button all give smooth feedback. Just passed the 6-point random digitizer test.
What's that?
Different cases.
Oh yeah, different cases, different prices.
Yeah, like this would be.
Go and check rear camera, front cameras for computer. Rear camera's nice and clear. Go and take a look at the parts cost and see how much you need for the repair.